Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about lifestyle where I share all about skincare, hair care, detox recipes, organic and homemade recipes. Today I am going to share with you 10 papaya masks, ingredients of which are easily available at home. It will hardly take a minute to prepare this mask and they will give you a shiny glow on your face. It will repair your damaged skin, reduces scars and it will provide the deep nourishment and hydration your skin needs. Papaya masks are popular for their skin brightening and exfoliating properties due to the presence of a natural enzyme that helps break down dead skin cells. They are especially beneficial for dull, dry, and uneven skin. It is also rich in vitamins A, C, E. It unclogs pores and helps even out skin tone. It moisturizes skin, brightens complexion, it hydrates and softens the skin. It is anti-wrinkle and removes suntan. So let's see how to prepare this 10 papaya face mask. So before you start preparing this papaya face mask, all you need is take a papaya, slice it and mash it with a fork or in a blender and collect it in a bowl. We will be needing this mashed papaya and with the help of this we'll be preparing the 10 face mask by adding ingredients. You can use this mask as per your skin type. So let's start. The first one is for the dry skin. All you need is a bowl. In a bowl add 1 to 2 spoons of mashed papaya. Then you can add honey. Honey makes your skin supple, it soothes inflamed skin, it treats sunburn wrinkles, it treats acne. It acts as a humectant. Its antibacterial qualities help soothe minor skin irritation. It helps protect skin cells from damage caused by aging and environment. So it is very important to use or inculcate honey in your skincare. So you can always use 1 to 2 spoons of honey. It nourishes and provides hydration to your skin. The next ingredient we are going to add is raw milk. Mix well and apply on face for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. The next one is for oil control. In a bowl, take 1 to 2 spoons of mashed papaya. Then the next one we are going to add is fuller's earth or multani mitti. Along with it, we are going to add rose water. All these ingredients help to clear the skin. This face pack is a great home remedy. Multani mitti controls sebum production. It also tightens pores and improves skin elasticity. It helps in deep cleansing. It can be too drying. Don't use more than once a week. Using too often can strip natural oils and damage the skin barrier. Do a patch test first if you have sensitive skin. Apply on clean skin, leave for 15 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water and you will instantly see the difference. Now let's get ready and prepare for the next mask, which is for soothing and hydration. In a bowl, take 1 to 2 spoons of mashed papaya. Now the next one is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera, we all know it repairs damaged skin, reduces scars and provides deep nourishment. It heals damaged skin and makes skin supple. Add 1 to 2 spoons of aloe vera gel. Mix both the ingredients well and make a smooth paste and apply on the clean skin. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Each mask targets different skin needs from acne and oil control to soothing and glow. It is ideal for most skin types, especially for dry, sensitive and acne prone. Massage until it gets absorbed into the skin. You can use these packs 2 to 3 times a day depending on skin needs. Your skin will feel smooth, supple and full of hydration. Now let's prepare the next mask, which is for dull skin. In a bowl, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of mashed papaya. Then the next ingredient we are going to add is yogurt. It is rich in fats and proteins that hydrate and soften dry skin. It helps repair the skin barrier, removes dead skin cells, and promotes cell turnover. Lactic acid can help fade away dark spots and acne scars over time. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and improve skin elasticity. Always use unsweetened yogurt. Patch test first to rule out any reaction, especially if you are sensitive to dairy. It contains probiotics that can help fight acne causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. It brightens skin complexion also. This combo is ideal for dry or flaky skin, dull or uneven skin tone. It is perfect for brightening dull skin. Curd is rich in lactic acid which gently exfoliates and hydrates skin. Before applying any mask, make sure to wash your face to remove dirt and oil. Now let's prepare the next mask, which is for exfoliation. In this, we'll in a bowl take 1 to 2 spoons of mashed papaya. The next ingredient we are going to add is oats. It's a natural cleanser and mild exfoliant. It removes dead skin. It cleans the skin gently without overdrying or irritating it. It's a gentle natural skincare ingredient. Add 1 tablespoon of oatmeal and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix and make a thick paste and apply on the skin. Let it rest for 10-15 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. Let's make a new mask which is for youthful skin. For this, take a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of mashed papaya. The next ingredient is chandan. Chandan is popular in skincare. It is known for soothing, cooling, and anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces dullness and keeps oil production in check. After adding 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder, mix well, make a paste and apply on the clean face. Let it rest for 10-15 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. It's a time-tested Ayurvedic ingredient whose natural cooling, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory properties make it ideal for summer. Regular application also helps clean pores, control oil, and brighten complexion. It also nourishes skin, maintains skin elasticity. It has anti-tanning properties which can brighten and freshen the skin. Always patch test if you have sensitive skin. Now let's make a new mask which is for glow boosting. To prepare this mask, in a bowl add 1 tablespoon of mashed papaya. The next ingredient we are going to add is wild turmeric. You can also use kitchen haldi, but I would prefer wild turmeric powder. The next one is honey. It is good for tired looking skin. It brightens skin and reduces inflammation. Mix well and apply on the face and rinse it off with lukewarm water after 15 minutes. Let's make a new pack which is for fair and glowing skin. To make this pack, in a bowl take 1 to 2 spoons of mashed papaya. The next ingredient is gram flour, which is besan, and the next ingredient is rose water. It's a natural toner and moisturizer. Its anti-inflammatory properties calm redness, sunburn, and irritation. It slows down signs of premature aging. Add homemade rose water or store-bought. Mix and apply on clean face. This pack will improve skin tone and will help you to reduce suntan and will also help you to prevent pimples and blackouts. Besan, we all know, it helps to remove dirt, oil, and dead skins. The next one is for anti-aging. In a bowl, take 1 to 2 spoons of mashed papaya. The next ingredient is tomato juice. It's a powerful natural ingredient in skincare due to its richness in vitamins, antioxidants, and mild acidity. It brightens skin tone, fights acne, soothes sunburns, and gently removes dead skin cells when used regularly. Mix and apply on the clean face. You can strain tomato juice or you can apply as such. Tomato juice can be irritating or drying if used alone. Avoid applying to irritated skin. Tomato and papaya in skincare can be brightening powerhouse, ideal for dull, pigmented, or oily skin. Let's make a new mask which is for nourishing effect. To prepare this mask, in a bowl add mashed papaya. Another ingredient is malai or milk cream. It's a traditional skincare ingredient in South Asia. It is loved for its rich, nourishing properties, especially for dull and dry skin. It is rich in healthy fats that hydrates flaky skin. It contains lactic acid. It also calms down dry patches and minor irritation. It makes skin feel smoother and plumper. Mix well and apply on the face gently. Massage in circular motion and wash it off after some time. Use these masks 1 to 2 times a week. Always do a patch test first and don't forget to moisturize afterwards. If you like these masks, share it with your friends and family. Now question arises, can we apply papaya face mask daily? Yes, it has got hydrating and moisturizing properties, removes scars, pigmentation and nourish skin. Now the next question is, can I keep papaya face mask overnight? No, it is not recommended. Once it gets dries up, your skin starts stretching. Wash off with water. If you feel any burning sensation or notice a rash after applying, discontinue use immediately. Always use Rai papaya for maximum benefits and minimum irritation. Papaya is a gentle yet powerful natural ingredient that works wonders for a range of skin concerns from dullness and dryness to pigmentation and uneven tone. When used in DIY face mask, especially alongside soothing partners like yogurt, tomato, honey, papaya can help reveal a brighter, softer, and radiant complexion. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share it with your family and don't forget to subscribe.